guys. Be careful. You good?
All my friends know the low rider. The low rider is a little higher. Low rider drives a little slower. Low rider is a real goer. Hey. Low rider knows every street, yeah. Low rider.
Well, I was at Marywood. The car show there? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. My grandpa lived yard down in there. Then they sold the property, then I restored it. And I grew it. 396 years as a teenager racing.